Hey guys, I'm Sonika. Today I'm going to discuss with you 10 tips on how you can enhance the composition of your food photos that can add an extra punch to your food photos. So let's get started. If you like my video guys, give me a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And now enjoy the video. Hey guys, I'm Sonika. Today I'm gonna talk about 10 composition tips that you can use for your food photography. And I've talked a lot about the rule of thirds, golden triangles, etc. in my previous videos. And in this video I'm gonna select a few composition rules that relate more to food photography. So here are my 10 composition tips for food photography. We are so used to putting our subjects in the dead center, and this works a lot in real life when it comes to food photography. Using only parallel lines is usually very boring and does not create interest or dynamism. On the other hand, the use of diagonals can be effective since diagonals create movement and dynamism. Positive space is the area your food and props take up. Meanwhile, negative space is the area where your eyes can rest. It provides balance, gives breathing space, and helps the emphasis on the subject. Because of the negative area is empty, your eyes automatically rest food and props. Placing the subject in the dead center can be useful if you know what you're doing, but most times, placing it off center will lead the viewer's eye around the image so that main subject is off center. Layers can be anything: a backdrop, fabric, props, food itself. Creates nice texture and so on. Layers allow you to work with props and elements and help you telling a story. This means creating a frame around your food subject so that eyes automatically go to the main subject that is inside the frame. By placing the ingredients around the frame, you know what is inside a dish and at the same time show where the hero pitches. Patterns can be simply repeating objects of the same type. Another powerful way to use patterns is to have something unexpected in the image. Like in the image, there's a broken biscuit. This is breaking the pattern and adds interest to the image. Foreground is that part of the image that is closer to the camera than the subject. Instead of directly photographing the dish, try to add a foreground element to depict the story. This technique also adds a sense of depth and scale to the image. By using objects of different shapes, you can add visual interest to the image. By using a round plate for the square biscuits, I was able to create contrast and attract more attention to the main subject. Another great composition technique is to follow the curve of a wave to create a natural flow in your image. With this technique, you can fit quite a lot into the photo without it feeling overly stuffed and crowded. The main camera angles for food photography are 90 degrees, overhead, 45 degrees, and straight on. The type of dish as well as props often dictate the camera angle to choose. For example, tall foods like burgers, stack of food look best using straight on angle. I go for overhead angle if I want to show the contents of the food like a salad or pasta. You may also photograph with a 45-degree angle to show how the dish really looks like on the table. The stronger your composition, the better food photographs you're gonna create. So if you found this video to be useful, guys, give me a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below about what you want to watch next on my channel. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. Here is my previous food photography tutorial. Please go check it out, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye.